Hello everyone, my name is Sanaya. Today we are going to make homemade healthy bar. But we need almonds, some dates, some seeds,
in which we have some pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds, some sesame seeds, muskmelon seeds, whatever seeds are available, you can use it.
some
Pistachios,
some cranberries,
raisins,
some walnuts, some cocoa powder, some
cashews,
some
sunflower seeds.
seeds. Let's start. First I'm going to put some almonds. Second I'm going to put some pistachios. Third I'm going to put some nuts. Then I'll put the some cocoa powder, some sunflower seeds, and some dates too. This is how it looks when we grind it. Let's start to mix.
Now we'll transfer this in a mold. You can use any shape, any size, it's fine. I'll help you.
So now pat it lightly. Every side, every corner. Now I'm done patting. Now we have to keep it in the fridge for 20 minutes.